Hello! In this 1-minute Prolog lesson, let's look at list pattern matching. In Prolog, lists are not just data. They can be decomposed directly in patterns. Here is the basic form: head, tail. Head is the first element. Tail is the rest of the list. For example, A, B equals 1, 2, 3. Then, A equals 1, B equals 2, 3. Very simple. But it gets more interesting. You can match multiple elements: A, B, C equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 3, 4. So Prolog automatically splits the list for you. This is called pattern matching. You don't write loops. You don't index arrays, you just describe the structure. And Prolog extracts the data. That's why recursive programs in Prolog are so clean and powerful.